Market breadth, I think, this is, 1:1, literally 975 higher, 930 stocks which are lower, which actually is pretty good given that the market on the Nifty is down so much. Let's talk about stocks. Bharti and Vodafone Idea are in focus after the Department of
Finance on the show now to talk about the market technicals. Jay, it's a weekday. The Nifty is at that 17,500. Would you see this as an opportunity? What are the charts telling you?
Very good morning to you. Well, as far as the Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty are concerned, I think the overall short-term trend has turned negative. So the index specifically, we would continue to see resistance on the upside, and whatever bounce we get should be utilized as a selling opportunity. However, I would say that the stock-specific movement will continue. So the public sector enterprise is seeing a very good momentum, and I think the stocks or the momentum out there will clearly would be outperforming the overall market sentiment. Overall, I think that Nifty is likely to slide till the levels of 17,300 on the downside. And the way the momentum indicators have gone into the sell mode with a negative divergence, I think the probability of Nifty sliding till the levels of 17,300 is quite high. In fact, yesterday I had shared my view until the levels of 17,500, which has got achieved today. From here on, I see some extension on the downside. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, there too, I think that this bounce should be realized as a selling opportunity. But then, the public sector banks are likely to outperform. So the index might, trade sideways to negative, but stock specifically, we will see some good opportunity on the buy side as well. Hence, I have two buy recommendations. One is from the public sector enterprise, that is on the PSU banking front. CanBank has provided a very nice breakout from an ascending triangular pattern, and it's been a long consolidation, and we have seen a good buy crossover as well on the daily as well as the weekly momentum indicators. So Canara Bank can be bought at the current levels with a stop loss of 171, and we can target 188 to 192 on the upside for the short term. Second buy recommendation is from the metal pack. Now metal pack has been now gone sideways, and we have been seeing a good buying interest at the lower levels. So NMDC seems to have completed a clear 5-wave declining structure, and from here on, a retracement on the upside, at least 38% retracement of the entire impulsive move can be expected. So NMDC can be targeted from the short-term point of view. The targets will be 155 to 160. One can buy this with a stop loss of 139.
All right, Jay, thanks a lot for joining us with those technical trades. We'll get into another short break here, but when we come back, we discuss the market fundamentals.